بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين. Today we will learn how to get the Windows ISO file. Of course, there are different ways to get the ISO file, but today in this video you will learn how to use a tool created by Microsoft known as Windows Media Creation Tool to get or to download the ISO file of Windows, whatever Windows you need. The requirements: you should have a computer with internet connection, either desktop or a laptop, and very important that you should log on using an account with administrative privileges. Now we have to mention that you can use the same tool to create a bootable USB flash drive, and we did a video on how to do this. You can refer to that video on the channel. And this tool most probably will be used for all the future releases of Windows. So it's a good to learn how to use this tool. Now the instructions are very simple. You open your favorite web browser, then you navigate to this website from Microsoft. You select whatever operating system you want. In our case, we will use Windows 11. You download the media creation tool from that website. Then you run it on your computer, and then simply you follow the on-screen prompts. Now, without any delay, let us go to the practical demonstration part. See you there. Okay, welcome to the practical part. So first we will open our favorite web browser. Then you simply type the website that I show it in the presentation, and I will put it in the video description on the YouTube channel. Simply, of course, you will have here the system. You choose the operating system that you want. In our case, we will choose Windows 11. You click that one. Then scroll down a little bit till you come to this section, Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Simply you don't click download to download the media creation tool that we will use. I think it finished downloading, so now I will close the web browser. Simply you will go download for, maybe it is this. You will find the tool here. Simply you just double click it. Of course, as I mentioned, you should be using administrator account. It asks me from here, I click yes. Then now the tool will start. It may disappear for a while, but don't worry, it will come. I don't know why it is Microsoft did it this way. It seems that the tool is not working, but actually it's working, but it takes a few seconds to appear. So let us wait a little bit. I know this is confusing, but it will come. As I said, this tool will be used, I believe, for any future release of Windows. For example, Windows 12, Windows 13, because this tool was used from Windows 7, Windows 8, up to 10, 11. So it's a good to learn about this tool. As you can see here, it says here getting a few things ready. You have to be You have to be patient. And as we mentioned, the same tool can be used to create a bootable flash memory. And we did this in a previous video in the YouTube channel. You can go to that video and see. Here, the first screen, it says, the license term. Of course, you have to click accept. Then I believe it will ask you to question whether you want to create a bootable flash memory or you want only to download the ISO file. In our case, we will download only the ISO file. Of course, here it provide you a recommendation. The language will be English and the edition Windows 11. If you want different language than English, simply remove the tick mark here. Then from this drop-down menu, you can choose any language you want, for example, Arabic. But in my case, I will just leave it English. And in the Windows edition, I have only Windows 11. Then you simply next. Here, where it different. If you want to create a USB flash drive, of course, you choose the first option. But in our case, we will choose the second option because we want the ISO file. So we want to download the ISO file. Okay, then you can use this ISO file either to burn it to a DVD-ROM or you can use it in your virtual machine. Now you simply click next. It asks you where do you want to download it. I will choose documents, then simply save. Now as you can see, it will start the process. It's now downloading the Windows 11. That's why we said you have to have an internet in your computer. As you can see here, I have internet here. So this may take time. You have to wait, and once it finishes, you will have the ISO file. So I will stop the recording here and come back again when it's about to finish. As you can see, now it finished downloading the file. Now it will start verifying the file. I hope it will not take more than this time. It creating the Windows 11 media where it create the ISO file. So again, you have to wait. Once it finish, stop the recording, and once it finish, I will come back. As you can see, now it finish. Actually, it takes a lot of time. Now simply you click finish. It will start cleaning up before it closes. It will not take time. After this, then you go to the file explorer, and then I believe we save it in the document folder, so simply click that one. And as you can see, this is the ISO file that it downloaded for you, and the size almost 6 GB. Of course, if you want to see the extension, simply you go view, show, and then you click file name extension. It will show you the extension. So as you can see, this is windows.iso file. So you can use this one in your virtual machine, or you can burn it to a DVD, or use it whatever you want, as you want. So this is one of the way you get the ISO file of Windows. And we will do other videos to show you other ways to download the ISO file for Windows that you want. Thank you very much. I hope this was very useful for you, and see you in our next videos. Take care.